بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
والليل إذا يغشى والنهار إذا تجلى وما خلق الذكر والأنثى إن سعيكم لشتى فأما من أعطى واتقى وصدق بالحسنى فسنيسره لليسرى وأما من بخل واستغنى وكذب بالحسنى فسنيسره للعسرى وما يغني عنه ماله إذا تردى.
By the night enshrouding and the day resplendent, and him who hath created male and female, lo, your effort is dispersed toward diverse ends. As for him who giveth and is dutiful toward Allah, and believeth in goodness, surely we will ease his way unto the state of ease. But as for him who hoardeth and deemeth himself independent, and disbelieveth in goodness, surely we will ease his way unto adversity. His riches will not save him when he perisheth.
إن علينا للهدى وإن لنا للآخرة والأولى فأنذرتكم نارا تلظى لا يصلاها إلا الأشقى الذي كذب وتولى وسيجنبها الأتقى الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى ولسوف يرضى.
Lo, ours it is to give the guidance, and lo, unto us belong the latter portion and the former. Therefore have I warned you of the flaming fire, which only the most wretched must endure. He who denieth and turneth away, far removed from it will be the righteous, who giveth his wealth that he may grow in goodness. And none hath with him any favour for reward, except as seeking to fulfill the purpose of his Lord Most High. He verily will be content.